Hi friends, it's your buddy Matt, the global ergonomist and ergo coach. Pen and paper ergonomics tools are often swayed by human bias. Judgment calls and opinions seep into this work. It can lead to missing hazards and weak choices. AI-enhanced computer vision removes this guesswork. Position tracking is unbiased. It's accurate risk data every time, and it's grounded in solid metrics. For safety leaders, insight drives smart policy. It lowers liability and it builds confident choices. In an era where precision is vital, AI tech raises safety standards beyond any doubt. So if you're ready to replace guesswork with solid evidence, let's make precision our foundation. Learn more about precision ergonomics from my revealing talk with Dr. Alan Hedge about the evolution of ergonomics at the link below. Until next time, work smarter, not harder. See ya.